Ah.
Now there's audio.
And now there's audio.
Now there's audio.
Great. What about the audio here?
No, audio is working now. Hey, you guys are watching us play with puppies. My microphones were for some reason off. Now they're on. Now there's audio.
Now I got to do my line again, right? About cats and dogs living together.
I know.
The unprecedented times. Bitcoin at 30.
Now we have audio.
Oh.
Awesome. This is a great video. All right. Yeah, we got audio. Yeah, no, we have to like play with puppies in order not to drink our sours. Well, I also made fun of. I saw that my cup and it said "Dad." I'm like, good job, Dad. All right, now we're in business. All right, we'll go to the charts, but we're also going to try and explain Terra Luna to everyone so that they understand what's going on.
Damn it.
Yeah, Doug is going to explain to us what it is.
I can't.
Which is great. No, you can. I'll tell you why you can. Because you've used it.
Well,
if you've used something, you need to be able to explain it as best you can.
All right. I hire people. I hire people to help me do this sort of thing. And I've invested and traded it and done well. Not that I know how it works.
But I'll explain how it works. Don't worry. I have a full understanding of how it works. So let's look at the charts first. All right.
There'll be sounds of Doug making an omelet in the background.
Have I been drinking? Only every day.
Yeah.
But this is coffee, though. Oh, boy. I think people are calling me, telling me I have no sound. I'm going to hang up. Sound is back. All good. That explains why my Telegram is like ringing off the hook right there.
Yeah.
Okay. So, oh boy, this is our weekly chart. This is our monthly chart. I mean, I find it very unlikely that we're not going to come near this long-term moving average. You just have to be mentally prepared. You just have to be mentally prepared of how you're spending money. I may cancel my trip to London tomorrow. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm still going to London. I'm just going to waste all my money. Coinbase is collapsing pre-market. Well, yeah, because they have a lot of Bitcoin in their reserves. I mean, a lot of things are going to be collapsing when Bitcoin collapses. Right? So we'll take a look at Coinbase as well. I do have to run. Like I can't do the stream forever today. Anyway, the weekly chart. Here's your good. Okay, you have 3 areas of support. This is my personal floor. The 50-week moving average. Sorry, 200-week moving average. That's the 50-week. 200-week moving average. Let's make sure. Yep, 200-week moving average. The prior swing high and the MRI support line all the way down at 17.5. Personally, I'm ready to sell a kidney at about 21,000 because I think it's very unlikely that it goes below that, and if it does, it will be very, very short. So that's my ultimate area of support. Can it get there? I don't know, but I'm certainly not long. Oh, now I'm not screen sharing. Jesus Christ, what the hell is wrong with you? This has been a terrible stream.
Oh man, just do it again.
No, I can't do it again because that's more work. I don't have the time. Yeah. This is a disaster.
But I'm still in my bathrobe, even though I'm not in my mom's basement.
Till next week?
Till next month. And I'll be in my mom's basement all summer. So we'll do a live stream.
You know, I got to get over to Minnesota one of these days.
Yeah, come to the crypto.
Yeah, there's only about 6 weeks in a year that you can actually go to Minnesota and enjoy it.
Shut up. Do you know that I bought my cabin with Bitcoin from Second Market? Do you know what Second Market is called today?
So there's not Barry Silbert's thing?
It is.
Second Market. I used to have shares on Second Market.
Yeah,
so Second Market was a really legitimate company by Barry Silbert. Though technically what he's doing now is somewhat legitimate, except he loves scam coins and he makes ETFs out of them. But
wants to.
Yeah, no, there was an Ethereum version. But anyway, let's stick to the Bitcoin price for a minute, and then we're going to explain Luna to you guys. You have to stick around for that. So we are looking at a brand new weekly low close. I know the week is just getting started. What day is today?
Today
This is a rough week.
is
guys.
Wednesday. Poker is Tuesday.
This is actually a rough day after, like, first of all, I was in Brazil. All right, give me a break, guys. Then Panama. I'm not even sure which one I partied more at. And now it's Miami, and soon London. Don't worry, London is. So I can't party in London. It's like, first of all, it's probably still like 2 below there, and
it was 80 degrees in Minnesota yesterday.
And they the one thing I noticed about London is they love standing on queue. It could be like 20 below and freezing, and there's still like 8,000 people waiting to get into a pub, and they have like 1 billion pubs. Okay, weekly chart looks still disastrous, but this is we're halfway through to a MRI buy situation, and hopefully it slows down its collapse on the downside and reverses with an MRI buy on the weekly. I'm a little upset I don't have a short trade on this mess, but you know what? Better safe than sorry. We did break the MRI support line. That's really bad. You can think of this as like a unreasonably big cup and handle. The moment we broke these supports, I mean, it was I had a really good strong feeling it was going to keep going down, but it fell down so fast. And I'm not in front of a computer all day long that for me, it was impossible to time a proper short. But right now, it just continues to look bad. This is an MRI buy situation, but on a 4-day chart, I don't know what it means. We are likely to have a snapback rally here. The more we fall in the next 24 to 48 hours, the more likely we are to just snap all the way back to like 36,000. God, remember the good old days of Bitcoin being 40,000? Daily chart. So remember what I told you guys that it would be difficult for Bitcoin to reach an MRI buy because this 5th candle of the downtrend. I got too much stuff here. Let me clean this up a bit. MRI. I'm gonna close all extensions. There we go. That's cleaner. So we got a few more days to go to an MRI buy. That would be a great MRI buy, guys. Today is Wednesday. So on Friday, if the price of Bitcoin is below 28,000 on Friday, I would consider that a very good buy the dip opportunity. Is it going to take you all the way back up to 60K? I don't know. But if we keep falling the rest of the week, I believe on Friday could be like the opposite of this situation here, where we reversed pretty nicely. After a reversal, where is the most likely place for Bitcoin to rally to before reevaluating whether we're back into a bull market? Probably around this area here of 36,500. On the weekly chart, I can maybe lower this a little bit now. Let's say 37.5 or 37. So above 37, I would then feel that we are back on a weekly buying opportunity. Ideally, I want to hit a proper level of support somewhere below 22K, but not lower than 17.5K. Okay, I'm wrapping up price, and then we're going to talk. Then we're going to explain Luna to you guys. GBC premium is actually holding up relatively well considering how bad we're falling, but we're also pre-market, right? So it's I shouldn't say anything yet because the market hasn't opened yet. It opens in 20 minutes, but I may not be on the stream that long. Still bullish on oil. I'm not that bullish on gold anymore, but we're still in this uptrend. Still got a little bit of room there. Let's see stock market pre-market. Pre-market, it's not dying yet, but look, we're still in a downtrend. Yeah, the Arun indicator has definitely been on the money. Long-term view of the stock market, I still think we're going to bounce off of this area here. Down to 37, and then probably reverse. Twitter. I don't think Elon Musk is going to buy Twitter.
That's sad.
No, that's reality. Well,
Sad reality.
Welcome to 1984. Remember what Winston's job was in 1984, Doug?
I don't. See the Mystery of Truth guy?
Well, no, Winston's the main character that was questioning the.
I thought he worked in a factory.
The world. No, he worked on Wikipedia.
Wow.
I mean, the book was written in 1960. What was 1984 written? So he worked at
1948.
Yeah, 48. 48, that's right.
Yeah.
It was written in 48.
Yep.
So he worked at Wikipedia and or Twitter.
Wow.
And his job was to
Ministry of Truth.
Right. So he would find facts of the past and he would send them down the memory hole by burning them, altering history.
What? That'll never happen again.
Exactly.
Can't happen here.
Right. So if I was to consult on, a modern day version of 1984, the Winston character is a Wikipedia admin.
Right. That's a good idea.
That was literally his job.
Well, maybe Elon Musk will fund that new production. Tone Vays' version of 1984. We'll call it 2084.
No, I kind of lost my voice. Which is very rare. And the thing is, I didn't party like that much. Like I don't really party that crazy. I think it's the combination of just being on an island in the sun and I had a good time. Brazil's awesome. Panama's awesome. I'll be back to both. Okay, so Coinbase is collapsing pre-market. Let's take a look at that. Ooh, and it's earnings day. No, earnings week. Sorry, when's earnings? Earnings day. Earnings day. Well, is it pre-market or aftermarket? Aftermarket. Today's the 10th or the 11th? No, they had earnings. They had earnings yesterday, aftermarket. Today's candle's not there yet. Whoa, 54 pre-market? Holy shit.
What's that?
Dude, Coinbase is down like 30% pre-market.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Do you think this is a concerted effort by the powers that be, to suppress the entire Bitcoin ecosystem? They're pissed off about El Salvador and Africa.
No, the crypto community is doing it all by themselves. They don't. The stupidity of the crypto community is doesn't need government's help to make this industry look like a clown show. It really doesn't need help. So let's take a look at Luna. Do I even have it on my shitcoin list? Is it even important enough to make the Tone Vays list of shitcoins?
Well, it made the Tone Vays. What's your award again? Scammy Awards.
Yeah, I was going to show that. Luna, there it is. It was my last addition to the scam list. So here's a beautiful chart. I love looking at this.
I should look at that.
Yeah, look at this. And look where the top was, the MRI buy. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Look, daily MRI, MRI sell. Daily MRI sell. And then look at this gorgeousness.
Is it a buy now?
No. I really hope some people
bias.
I really hope some people went totally broke on this. I kind of do. I'm so tired of these shitcoins.
Yeah, find the puppy.
And
trust a puppy.
Luna USD price is 81 cents. Oh my God.
UST?
Yeah, versus Tether.
No, that's Luna. Go pull up UST. It's a stable.
No, but isn't this Luna as well?
Luna is different from UST.
No. This is Luna versus Bitcoin price, right?
Right.
But this is Luna versus Tether price.
Yeah, right. But it's still not the stable.
Did this thing really go from $120 to 83 cents? Can someone fact check this?
What? Whoa. What chart is this? It's a week chart. Go at the day chart.
Someone fact check this? Yes, people are saying yes. Wow. No, you know what? Enough idiots are gonna buy this thing thinking it's still the future. What is Novogratz gonna do with his tattoo? You seen it, right?
No, but show me about it.
Oh man, I want to go to Twitter. I don't want to change this one. I'm gonna open a new Twitter.
Hey, your omelet's done. I'm gonna bring it over.
Okay, cool. Oh man, everyone's making fun of Novogratz tattoo. Novogratz has like a huge Luna tattoo. I probably don't have to scroll very far for someone to. Oh, people are just.
Wait, I want people to see my
Here, everyone's making fun of his. Hold on. They're all like, it's like a big meme now, and people are like putting crazy stuff. Doug makes the best omelets, man. Yeah. If you're ever at Doug's house.
Yeah, it takes a long time. It's an art form, so I can't make a lot of omelets.
See, now when you need to look at his tattoo. Anyway, so Doug is gonna tell us.
Oh God,
Tether is the most stable of the stable coins. So first of all algorithmic stable coins are an outright scam. I have always said that for a long time. It's always been a scam. So Luna, just what do you know about Luna? Because unlike me, you've actually, here it is. Here's Novogratz tattoo. Oh, wait, that's not his name. It actually says Luna. It's been altered. Jesus Christ, I can't even find the original. It's just a giant meme now of Novogratz.
No, down.
There it is. That's the real version.
Wow.
Oh, here. That's his actual tweet.
I'm usually a lunatic. Wow. Yeah. Okay. So it's part of the Cosmos ecosystem. Cosmos used to be Tendermint. It's really well regarded amongst people.
I actually did not know Tendermint became Cosmos. I remember Tendermint from back in the day. So there was another one. What was the one that? What's his name? Remember? Oh, what the hell's his name? Oh my God, the lawyer. I actually liked him too. He's a funny guy. It's not with an S.
Not Cyber.
No, not the lawyer. Sorry, another project that didn't have a shit coin, but they were using Tendermint for their like consensus mechanism.
Yeah.
Anyway, go on. So it uses
full screen.
No, we're on my Twitter.
Oh, right. So yeah, it was. I think again, I hire people to help me.
That's
vet these things. There's the Scammy Awards, right?
Yeah, the Scammy Awards. Luna came in last, right? So we had
the least scammy.
Right. So we had the Scammy Award. This was our at the last Unconfiscatable. We had the Scammy Award for best new scam. The winner was Shiba. Second place was Solana. Third place was Polkadot. And at least I was smart enough to put Terra on the top 4 list of best new scams, and it actually came in last.
Wow!
With the least amount of votes for being the least scammy of these 4, and that's the one that I voted first. Good job, voters. This was our picture of Terra Luna, and World of Rusty did a good job of. Love Clown World. World of Rusty. Put the picture that he made of Terra. I retweeted it. Yeah, this was from our shitcoin show of the year. Where is it? There it is. This was our picture for the Scammy Awards for the
dumpster fire.
Yeah, this was the actual. Like, we didn't just do this. We did this like 4 or 5 months ago in preparation for the Scammy Awards.
Yeah. Well, anyway, so the entire Cosmos. I mean, everyone who knows me will hate that I'm explaining this, but because I don't explain it well.
No, but this is why I want you to explain it.
Right. So I invest. I use altcoins and shit coins to earn interest to buy more Bitcoin if I can, if I'm not funding my extravagant lifestyle. So I hire people to do that for me, and Terra Luna has done, or rather the Cosmos ecosystem has done really great for us. A lot of people respect it from a technological perspective. It's an interconnected blockchain ecosystem, and UST, that's not, UST is the stable coin. It's supposed to be pegged to a dollar.
Yeah.
Luna is different, but it's still in the same, ecosystem.
Right.
And so, they were trying to buy $10 billion of Bitcoin. They got to 1.5 billion. So, God, doesn't that make sense? A stable coin backed by the best cryptocurrency that Vays actually likes, Bitcoin. you can make an argument that's a good thing until Bitcoin loses its peg and everything, or I'm sorry, UST does.
Yeah.
So I know more about like the Cosmos ecosystem on that side of things, and those various. It's basically like a Waves platform or a Raven coin where you can mint different coins with different characteristics. The only big thing is they all communicate with each other. So interoperable blockchain.
Right.
Anyway.
Oh. Now let me explain.
No, that's Cosmos.
Right. Let me explain it. So you have Tendermint, which became Cosmos, which somehow quasi is connecting to the Terra Luna blockchain. And Cosmos has their own scam coin. And then the Terra Luna has their own scam coin. And then they decided to create another scam coin on top of that called UST. UST, yeah. And we call this concept, I know I just made fun of Wikipedia and how it's 1984, altering history, but some things they haven't gotten to yet. So back in the day, if you remember the Bitcoin Uncensored podcast that I've been a guest on many, many times, we all used to refer to this concept as turtles all the way down. Have you ever heard of the concept of curls all the way down?
Because
from the podcast.
Well, no, from the Indian philosophers who were trying to explain,
right?
God.
So, okay. So
the world was built on a turtle's back.
So what is turtles all the way down? So turtles all the way down is an expression of a problem of infinite regress. The saying alludes to the mythological idea of a world turtle that supports a flat earth on its back. It suggests that this turtle rests on the back of an even larger turtle, which itself is part of a column of increasingly larger turtles that continue indefinitely. Mm-hmm. So this is the world of blockchains. That's what it is. This concept was explained in detail as far back as 2014, I think, when Bitcoin Uncensored started. And that's literally what it is. So if you want to
host of Bitcoin Uncensored,
it was John Seth and Chris DeRose.
Right.
So the the concept of what the hell was that other blockchain, and what was that? Oh, who was that lawyer? Oh my God. No, wait, give me a second. Oh, man, my age and brain cells are catching up to me.
You're telling me, man.
Shoot.
You got a little sleep apnea into the mix. I can't remember people's names.
We'll go to images. So this is it. Why is that around there? It's supposed to be a flat earth. Where's a proper picture of turtles all the way down?
That's not bad. I don't think it was a flat earth necessarily.
No, it's a flat earth.
Well, they all show round.
Oh, no, they're all shown round, but it says that's a mistake. There it is. Go. There it is. Okay. This is turtles all the way down. But I actually thought it was in the opposite direction, like the big turtles in the front. Like people don't even know how to draw a proper picture of turtle. See, this is why we still need Google, unfortunately, because DuckDuckGo is a terrible search engine. It's just a terrible search engine. So this is what I usually end up doing. So it's turtles all the way down. There's a novel, probably that's why they turtles all the way down. Images. Man, nobody can get the picture right. This used to be so much back in the day. This was so much easier. I can't even find the right picture. But this is basically a world of blockchains. Tendermint's using Terra Luna. Terra Luna is using Tendermint. Somehow they renamed it Cosmos in order to hide the fact how stupid Tendermint was. That's the concept of turtles all the way down. It's like we have an interoperable blockchain which rests on top of another blockchain which uses this blockchain, and that blockchain uses that blockchain. It's a world of
oracles to burn and mint.
It's a world of utter nonsense. So you really want to check out this concept.
Just like a steam engine.
Turtles all the way down. Anyway, I think we've explained this enough.
All right. Can I go make my omelet now?
Yes.
All right. You're going to explain. You just explained it. Okay, good.
Yeah. So that's the explanation. The next time someone tells you they have an interoperable blockchain, Ask him which turtle on the hierarchy of turtles all the way down that interoperable blockchain sits at. The stupidity of shitcoiners really has no bound. What's that famous Einstein quote? It's there was man. Oh, Einstein said there are two things that are infinite in this world: the universe and human stupidity. But I'm not sure about the first one.
That is good. Way to go, Albert.
Yeah.
Who knew he was such a comedian? That one, you know what he said about the most powerful force in the universe was?
No, what was that?
Compound interest.
No, I thought that was like Ben Franklin.
Is that Ben Franklin?
Not Einstein.
It was Einstein. One of those brainiacs.
All right. All right, guys. I think I'm going to be ending it here. I'm looking at your live chat now. The crypto world outside of Bitcoin is the world of turtles all the way down.
Satoshi can come over.
There he is.
He's kind of mellow now.
See, that's why we're like playing with puppies, watching our.
So Satoshi, they give a proper introduction. He's a Pomsky. That's his breed. Pomsky, Pomeranian Husky.
Did you turn this off?
No, you're not.
Oh wait, you're on the right.
I don't know how they breed the Pomsky and the Husky together. It's probably in vitro. So I named him Satoshi with the SKY at the end instead of Satoshi. Get it? Okay, we're gone. Hey, kitty.
All right. I'm looking at your live chat now, guys. Look at UST versus USD. I mean, I don't even know how to pull that up. Hey guys, before I go, the financial summit, come and join us.
I'm going.
Yeah, he's going. A bunch of other people have committed. Now I gotta get them to pay.
Sail there actually.
Like so many people, are like, hey, I'm definitely coming. And now the price of Bitcoin falls, and I'm like, hey,
come make fun of me.
Bitcoin. No, I'm waiting for the price to go back. So, no, it really is a great event, and you're gonna have a great time if you come. Check out our YouTube videos, like the testimonial video and the promo video. Luna's pumping now. It's all the way to $2 even.
To what?
Luna is back to $2 apparently.
Wow.
I know. Yeah, there it is. $2.22 versus Tether.
Down from 82 cents.
Yeah. How's Solana doing? Oh, there it is. I expected the pullback to this line. Let's see if we can go lower. Man, shitcoins are so bad. Oh, wow. Cardano, is that disaster still like functioning? Who remembers Cardano? All right, guys. I'm going to leave it here. Let's see. Maybe I'll do another video tonight. We'll see. We'll see where the price of Bitcoin is.
Peace.
Oh, the market's already open. Let's see Coinbase. That's another dumpster fire. There it is. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. Come and join us in the Dominican Republic. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye, guys.
And we're clear.